Be ready. Start. Madam, Deputy Chairman, this discussion on the calling attention motion for textile industry has covered the whole gamut of the industry from the grower of cotton to all other sectors. Stop. Honorable members have covered the whole field and given a number of suggestions. Stanza. Madam, textiles is a very important industry in our country and it gives employment and work to millions and millions of people in the villages, in the towns, in the rural areas and in the cities. Stop. Government is fully aware of its importance in our national life from the economic, social and every other point of view. Stanza. Broadly, there are three sectors of the industry: the unorganized handloom sector, the unorganized powerloom sector and the organized meal sector. Stop. Madam, you would have observed from the speeches made here that there are some inherent contradictions in the interests of the various sectors. Stop. Some members have in the same breath tried to support all the sectors and obviously there have been contradictions in their arguments and their presentation. Stop. If you want higher prices for the cotton grower, how can you expect reasonable prices of cotton yarn for the handloom and powerloom sectors? Question mark. So, because of this obvious contradiction, there is a demand all over that the textile policy has failed and therefore it should be reviewed. Stop. Madam, the textile policy was meant basically to reconcile the varying and at times conflicting interests of the various sectors and therefore it has not found favor with any one sector and all the sectors are more or less feeling dissatisfied. Stop. This is bound to happen when you have a very balancing proposition like the new textile policy where the various interests have to be reconciled and given proper place. Stanza. The textile policy can be judged from 3 or 4 points of view and it has proved successful from those angles. Stop. There has been an increase in overall cloth production. There is an increase in per capita availability of cloth. There is a great increase in exports and the rate of increase in the price of cloth has been minimal. Stop. Compared to the general rise in the cost of living, it is very little, just 2% as against more than 8%, which means the common man is benefited. Stop. He is getting more cloth at a very reasonable price compared to other consumer goods and other things that are available to him. Full stop. Over.